Hello, hello, hello. So, it's... No, wait, it hasn't been a while, it's only been a couple of days. And I'll just get this all sorted. Get that up. Is YouTube working? Yes, it is. Okay. Beep, 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 beep. Oh, okay, I'm not doing that. So, today, I've written this YAML file. Is that showing on OBS? Yes, it is. I've written this YAML file that has the features of each floor. So it's got a branch, depth, checkpoints, floor objects, such and such. Again, branch, depth, checkpoint, floor objects, which can be stairs. It can be a key item chest. So for the purposes of demonstration or for debugging, showing that it actually works, we're just having what a late game armor is going to be in a chest on the 3rd floor. Well, 2nd, but we count from 0. And it can also be a boss. And so yeah, that's what we're going to be doing today. First of all, first order of business is to import this into a YAML file. Now, I've already done most of it. I did come across this really weird bug where if I wrote this YAML file in Notepad++, it didn't work. When I opened and saved it in Visual Studio Code, it worked. So that's weird, but oh well. So, where are we? Dungeon features import plugin, dungeon features. Now we just need to set floor features by here. Now we don't. Now we can just set floor features here, but we also need to set branch lengths and the branch. Well, not the branch biomes, but we do need to set the branch lengths. So for current branch length equals 0 for current branch index is also 0. Also, it takes a collection of dungeon floor features. So dungeon floor features is just going to be what I've highlighted here, all the features for one given floor. So it orders them by their branch index and then by their floor depth. Just keeps it, you know, all neat and tidy. And if we need to go to the next floor, then usually it's just go to the next element in the array, as opposed to having to search for the entire array again. It's not going to be much, but I suppose you could call it a micro optimization, but oh well, it's done now. Let's see. Checkpoint and checkpoint pulse types to yes. So we need to iterate over ordered floors. If current branch length, no, sorry, if current branch index does not equal item dot branch index, then oh yeah, also oops, current branch, no, branch lengths is a new list of integers, and we'll be converting that into an array and then plonking it into branch lengths once we're done. So current branch index equals item dot branch index, current branch length equals 0, and before that branch lengths dot add, because we're ordering them by their branch index, so we'll be counting up accordingly. Current branch length. Then current branch length plus plus. And then finally, branch lengths equals branch lengths dot to array, and then floor features equals ordered floors dot to array. Branch biomes also is we're going to need to set in this dungeon floor importer plugin. So var biomes equals a new list of strings. Not so in integers, yeah, they're strings, so they're just going to be the what is it? So for each var key value in picked branch biomes dot as Godot dictionary. Yeah, for some reason the YAML parser doesn't accept YAML arrays. It just only accepts dictionaries. So it's essentially a dictionary of keys are going to be 0, 1, 2, 3, and things like that. It's really weird behavior. And I don't know if it's a Godot thing, a YAML.net thing, or a me thing. But, oh well. We have our workaround. So, biomes.add kv.value.asString. And here, branch biomes equals biomes.toArray. Yeah, need a comma instead of a semicolon there. Right. Okay, save that, and now I need to have our biomes here. So the copy that. So the first one's going to be in the forest, then we go into the caves. And then caves, biome, caves, boss, buttress. Then I'll just duplicate this, call it caves boss, and the only difference is that monster spawn density is going to be 0 because it's a boss floor. Like so. And the dungeon generator is going to be not a labyrinth, but instead a fixed room of size 10 by 10, we'll call it. Also, no, that's fine. So the reason why we don't want to load all the biomes in at once, because I mean they are like what 3-4 kilobytes each, but those do add up once we add additional biomes, because we only have what 3, and one of them is going to be used for the item world. So we go back to here, we've got our biome set up, so branch 2 is going to be here, and then afterwards it'll be 1-7 or 2-1, which then you'll have a new set of floors before the boss. Right, that's saved. Have this in, save this, build the project, and hopefully the well, it won't work because the boss floor has this, which doesn't exist. So we'll need to wait for the building to get back. Give me back control, and then we'll add a dummy boss. Right, clear this, don't need it. Enemy data. Here we are, YAML. Resources. Enemies. /YAML. Enemy data. Then we'll add another folder called bosses. Then we'll duplicate this, call this boss 0. No, not you, T-Bone Rex, you're a normal enemy. I suppose we could have one be a boss and like a normal enemy be a boss, and then go from there. Rex Alpha? Oh, it's read-only, that's why. Yeah, I'm a bit of a dum-dum. So this is our group size will probably be... Now, if I want to have multiple bosses consisting of multiples, I might need to redo this. Like, instead have it as a folder, and then load each enemy data from there. Oh well, we'll leave these as is for the time being. I just need something to work. So this is a YAML file and not a what you call it. We'll also make 1-5 a checkpoint floor. Dungeon structure. Open this up. Yeah, you can see here we've got floor features. So size is 7, however this size is 1 and 5, which means that we've got our biomes. That's correct. So This should be 151 because technically the boss is a separate branch. So in dungeon floor features, no, it's not. It's dungeon features, not floor features. Just at the end, branch lengths dot add branch length. I rebuild and then re-import. That should sort us out. So rebuild, re-import. Oh. So essentially, a template of this is going to be used as a template to determine the dungeon features, and then the dungeon features have their stairs, their locations. Those will be generated on new game. And so we've got 151 dungeon floor features is correct. Branch index 0, floor depth 0, branch index 1, floor depth 1, branch index 1, floor depth 3. So 2, 3, 4. And these have 2 stairs there, one going up and one going down. And their locations are at 0, 0. Because we'll be positioning their floors. Right. What's this? Unable to task object of type god or resource to type. That's probably the boss spawn. Yeah, that needs just to have this. Okay. Rebuild. Key item spawn as well. No, key item spawns have these. That should fix that error. Okay, going to see dungeon old, and then the dungeon depth map is going to be one of these. Dungeon structure.yaml, so that's the read only. Let's see what happens. Because now we need to rewrite the whole dungeon thing to load the new one. I think I might have done that in a previous stream though. Okay, so we've loaded a skybox, but that's about it. Okay, the floor dimensions array is null, which I think is... Floor dimensions is exported. It's gonna be under music, isn't? Oh, for God's sakes. Okay, that's fine. We'll put it next there. It's logically there anyway. And before I forget, equals new vector 2 0. For some reason, the array of vector 2s is for some reason this thing vector 2i's can't be exported for some reason, so we'll have to so here we go, pack vector 2 array of size 0 ish bash bosh. There's going to be 4 presets, so we'll just have 4 there as a preset. So for a small one, we'd have it as 10 by 10, medium is 15 by 15, large 20 by 20, extra large. Actually, no, we'll start off at 15. $25 by 25, 30 by 30. And we'll need to do the same for each of the other biomes. Build. Come on. Do it the same. Actually, we'll go one up because they are no, they are in labyrinth. So yeah, we'll keep these the same then. Okay, and then Cave's boss is going to be 10 by 10 for all of them because, you know, fixed room. Debug again, I'll probably want to space them out. By 20, 30 by 30, 40 by 40. Forest we've done. The labyrinth now. Again, we'll start at 15 and go from there. $25, 20 by 25, 30. There we go. Save all this. Then if we go to here, it should say forest. We should load the forest biome properly this time. Oh, here we go. Once they're spawning there, spawning 3 treasure chests, that's fine. What's in here? Can't add a point with negative ID. Is it me or is this thing just still too bloody loud? I know audio balancing is going to be a right pain. Just need to make sure that well, those are the upstairs, which is at 0, I reckon. Yeah, right here. That's weird. Right, so here we go. It starts target branch 0, target depth 1, so they should be going down. Destination depth level 1, target branch 0. This should actually be target branch 1. And then I need sort of going into I need to load a cutscene on as soon as I go from floor 0 to floor 1, I need to load the after tutorial cutscene and then go from there. What's wrong with this? Cannot add a point with negative ID. Negative 20, which is here. Get cell numbers. Okay, I'm going to put dummy values into here. And then they should get overwritten once I generate the new profile. Right? Five, 7. 10, 10 for now, and yeah, the rest will. I just need to make sure that the everything's put in. So actually, we'll put these as 10, 1. 10, 1. 10, 5. And then just have them ping between 10, 5 and 10, 1. So the upstairs go to 10, 5. This goes to... This is why I didn't want to generate the stairs like this. The stairs up would be 10, 1. Stairs down 10, 5. Stairs up 10, 5. Stairs down 10, 1. Ten, 1. 10, 5. This one 10, 5. Save this, and then I'm gonna need to also put this in the import plugin. So let me try to move floor dict. Location equals pass vector 2i. Floor item dict. Location. Is it grid position or grid location? Oh no, it's in floor objects. That's why. I'm an idiot. It should be here. Product.has, sorry, contains key. Location. Connect to i.1. Negative vector to i.1. Generate this method. Can be static. Return string str equals variant dot as string dot split by the comma. So we'll actually call it split string. Then return new, oops, can't type today. Dot pass split stir 0, comma, dot pass split stir 1. That'll do. Oh yeah, we'll also trim any white space. Oh, yes. Okay, rebuild and then reimport. Now the stairs should be in fixed positions. Also want to check out the regular profile, how that generates the floor based on whatever. We're back. Yeah. Right. Just check that these stairs are in the right spot. No, they're in 0, 0. We're gonna need to re-import this. They're still in 0, 0. What's wrong now? Oh no! Line 18, column 31 to line 19. That's fine. Oh. While scanning a plane scaler, found a tab character that violates indentation. Oh, it's just tabs as spaces fucking bullshit that YAML enforces. And for some reason Visual Studio Code just doesn't. I don't know, just won't compile in Notepad++, and then it does compile in Visual Studio Code except when I try and add new stuff. So if I want to add new stuff, I'm going to have to write it in Notepad++, then take it to Visual Studio Code, then... Okay, I think that's the last one. Line 28. The hell are you talking about? Violates indentation. These are all. Oh no, it's here. Is this it? I think that worked. Okay, does that work now? Hey, they're in location -1, -1. Ah, fuck, they're not supposed to be there. It's supposed to be 10, 1, but no, it's gone to the default. What's this? Are they all like this? Yeah, they're all like this. So apparently it can't find... It just can't find... Oh, it took item dict instead of floor dict. I'm an idiot. I was putting in the wrong dictionary. Okay, finally. Rebuild and re-import and rebuild and re-import and blah 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 blah. Okay, let's see if this works. No, it's still -1 if I re-import. Hey, they're in the right spot now. Okay. Why are these stairs going up? These stairs should be going down. Destination depth level 1. Are we at depth level 0? Or depth 0? Destination depth level 1. Hang on. Is it something to do with this? No, this is stuff for the staging area, which I still need to redo. Target branch 1, destination depth 1, so it should be going down, but for some reason they're going up. Look at dungeon stairs. Is upstairs. Oh. So where does this get set? Right here. Floor depth does not equal destination. Oh, for God's sakes. Floor depth is greater than stair.destination depth level. I think that should fix it? I don't know. There we go, going down. We descend, we're now in the caves. These go back up. Now we just need to go straight downwards, but yeah, I'm probably going to change these. And we have a bug. So it's this stairs here. Target branch 1, target 2. Features not found for branch 1, depth 2. Ah, okay. Right. Reach our floor in. This is going to be really sucky because we just have. Well, I suppose we only have to do it when we're changing floors, so we can take the performance hit. If floor dot branch index is equal to branch and floor dot floor depth equals depth. Return floor. Otherwise do this. It's not like I'm going to have 100 floors or even... Well, even if I did have 100 floors, it'd be pretty simple. And the editor's crashed. Because we can't have nice things. Hello? Where are these stairs? This stair should be at 10.5. There we go. I probably need to re-import after we've fired up the editor again because it's crashed. Get rid of that. Don't need the console anymore. Come on. Okay. Just wait for it to work. A dungeon structure. Build. Yeah. Okay, what's wrong? Oh. No reference. Treasure chest seen, not a thing. Huh? This would be in the dungeon floors biome. Is the biome not? No, it can't be that because biome caves, treasure chest seen. The hell? Treasure chest seen path. It's right here. Hang on, is this fucking VS Code? Oh, I don't need you, Notepad++. This is a new one. So it's the... We've spawned the caves in here. But then... The forest has a treasure chest spawns. The caves have treasure chests being spawned. Yeah, spawning free treasure. But then if I go back to here, it says... Is the biome null? Can't be. But this is floor 2. Key item chest data. So we are spawning an item chest. Location branch. No. Branch index 1, floor index 2. Yes. Stairs are in the right place. No, we haven't even put the key item treasure chests being spawned. To begin with. See, there's a treasure chest right here. Dungeon.generate floor. Dungeon generate base.generate floor. Place tile objects floor features.floor objects. Place tile object floor. It is key item treasure, so add treasure chest on here. However, here we haven't set the biome. Yeah. Right. Okay. So wait a minute. The only thing I can think of is to put the biome as an argument here. Parameter. Unless... No, so this finds the valid. Then oh wait, now we have this. Don't even use the dungeon floor renderer anyway. At least we don't use that. Put current biome here and then comment this out. That should fix the null reference. Although I'm not entirely happy about it. So the biome gets set, then we place the tile objects, which probably aren't going to be different than the biome, making these changes completely useless, but, well, superficial, not useless, because it does fix the whatchamacallit. So I want to check what seed is. Plus U long current depth. Plus 10 multiplied by branch. Let's see if this change works. I remember the actual path I took to get to... There we go. Floor 4. Then you gotta go up north. Okay. Well, I've got something new now. Dungeon floor map. Why are we still using dungeon floor map? Oh, this is the no floor map. I was thinking of depth map. Tiles, tile number. Dot tile object type equals that. But the tile number's out of range. Huh? Yeah, tile number equals interactable.grid position.x multiplied by that plus the interactable get grid position y. But it's out of range. Huh? This is really weird. Let me just open this up next in VS Code. I'm going to change all these to the debug biome just so I don't have to memorize a path. See if the whole thing works. Actually, bish bash bosh bish. Now these will all be debug. Okay, try this now. Re-import. Okay, I thought I'd... Then it breaks. Generate here, then dungeon generate. New dungeon floor map, which is current floor. Then in current floor, floor interactables. It's out of bounds. The 10-1, 10-5. Wait a minute. No, these are the cave's boss. Oh, they're all 10s, that's why. Why aren't we using the... Have I saved this? We should be using the debug biome for all of these now. No, apparently need to re-import. It's still like that. Oh, for God's sakes, what this... That was invalid tab as indentation. Oh, for God's crying out loud. Why is VS Code like this? Okay, save that. Now re-import. Branch biomes, all debug. This should make things easier to test. Should. So it's just, no, this isn't the boss area. Crying out loud. No, wait. This is the last floor 6. Depth. Yeah, the boss is at depth 6, so they should... We should spawn a boss here, but we can leave that for now. Just change the debug biome to mixed room. Type 15 by 15. It makes it very easy just to spot stuff. Ignore that error. Oh, why is it like this? Oh, it's this one. Hydrolava Gambeson, yeah, that's correct. Okay. So we have the so we have the key item chests, those spawn correctly. Except this. Floor 5 doesn't work because the upstairs are out. Fuck. There's the chest. Still in the bloody cage. Fine, make it 20 by 20. I just want to make sure I can get to the boss floor. Fine. Are you fucking kidding me? I'm at 10-0, but the stairs have kicked me. Oh god. Of course, if I make a room dimension with room dimensions bigger than the actual floor itself. Well, it renders, at least. Yeah, it works. So the boss should spawn here, in this room. Yeah, I think this stream's been a bit of a wash. Oh well, we'll work on the boss spawning. Probably later. Just trying to think what else I can do. So been spawn objects, which will be in dungeon floor base. So therefore, where's the add tile objects? No, this is in dungeon generator base. Else if OBJ is boss spawn data boss. then if objects the boss spawn data boss, then enemy equals new enemy dungeon symbol. I think I probably should take this out of the if statement because all of them are going to be placed, right? Enemy dot grid position equals pause. And while I'm here, I'm going to move the boss to floor 1-1. Just so I can test it spawning. And I have to use spaces now. If I click on tab size here, indent using spaces, yes. Current tab size. I do this. Okay. There. All spaces, no tabs. Is it grid position or is it warp? It's warp 2. Yeah, it's warp 2, not. Enemy dot. Enemy party. Enemies equals enemy dot. No, it's boss dot enemy data. Enemy dot level override equals boss dot enemy level. So we okay. So enemies is read only, which means I need to oh no, it's initialize. Ah, crap, I can't get the I can't get the enemy's level. I can't get the party's level from here. What if instead I did this? Initialize from boss data. Initialize from boss data. Enemies equals boss dot enemy data. New. Wait, no. Depth level equals -1. Movement behavior equals movement behavior dot where is movement behavior? Enemy symbol movement behavior dot stationary. Because the boss should be waiting for you. And that. Enemy party status equals that. Okay, we'll try that. Just don't update the boss color, or we could just hard code it. Wait. But then we'll need to set these. Which means it's a symbol initialized, but then we need to load from the enemy symbol scene path, which is in the dungeon floor and not the dungeon floor generator. Shit. Oh, this is becoming spaghetti very quickly. Then enemy symbol scene path. Just keep this, and then we can probably oops. I could probably then replace this with a boss enemy scene. Like that. Okay, so now with all these changes on the second floor, it should be the boss. Although I might need to re-import the dungeon structure. Yeah, looks like it. Here we go, re-importing assets, dungeon structure. Just wait for this to pass. Boss spawn data, okay. Huh. Oh wait, this is the first. Second floor. There's no enemies spawned. Just make sure it's not a draw distance thing. Nope. This. Boss spawned at 15.9. So it is saying it's spawned, but it's just not 15.9. So it should be right here, but it hasn't spawned. Ah, crap, I could have. Oh, I think I know why. Yeah, we need to add it as a child. Okay, more. Let's add enemy symbol. Enemy. And then just rip these all out. Click. Void. Add enemy symbol. Enemy dungeon symbol. Symbol. Add enemy symbol. Symbol. Symbol what to then. This in. The floor base does not contain it. Fuck. I need to pull this up. That's fine. There we go. Right, that should spawn the boss in now. Hey, there we go. And it's stationary, so take a look. And we can't engage it. Why can't we engage it? It should be an error. But it's not. There isn't any. Get next move. No.
Yeah, penis. Yeah, penis. Yeah, yeah.
Oh, I don't know. I actually spawned some stuff manually, randomly. If I've broken it too much, it might just be chuck it all out and there's no. What the hell's going on?
Yeah, penis. Yeah, yeah.
Monster spawn density 0.1. That means 1/10 of all squares would have a monster on them, which is supposed to be way too much, but there aren't any being spawned. It says here monster spawning 0.02 seconds, so.
Yeah,
So we are on party move. We are checking for interactables because we know we're checking for that, but if new position equals player party symbol dot next grid position, then add to battle. Okay. Oh, I think I know what's going on. This thing isn't. This breakpoint isn't hitting, which is on here. Therefore, if get next move return 0, however, dungeon symbol base. If it's here, then wait, move on there. Do that. But then it should. It also emits this signal here. Finish move on here. So what the hell's going on? Right. Grid position is 59. Next grid position is also 59. Twinkle back on there. Again, okay. So we are moving and the symbol finish move is being emitted. That is right. Yes, that is right. However, it's just not being added here. Oh, wait. No, that's not right. It's this dungeon generator base. Here. Add enemy symbol enemy. That emits the signal. Enemy symbol spawns. So yeah, that's right. Yeah, emit signal enemy symbol spawned. Dungeon value dungeon, which is enemy symbol spawned, is on enemy spawned. Oops. Add this in. We'll go back up. Oh. No, I wanna run from the debugger. Okay, add enemy symbol, emit signal on here, but then the symbol isn't being... What? This isn't being put in. Oh no, it's because I've spawned the enemy in. And I've spawned the enemy in before choosing the current floor. Oh no, this is gonna be a pain. Okay, how am I gonna do this? Shit. Um, I'm definitely in the mood where I should just chuck all this out and restart again in Unity. Dungeon generate base, this boss spawn data. Get rid of that. Just ignore it if it's boss spawn data. Then I'm gonna need to rewrite this whole thing, aren't I? Oh. I need to rewrite the whole dungeon logic. Unfortunately, the assets of staying in. It's definitely a crossroads. I can probably take everything I've learned in trying to make this game in Godot, chuck it, well, and then just try and remake it in Unity using the things that I know now. Or just keep slogging at this. Thing is, I don't even know if it's going to be any good or not. Okay, so when the current floor gets... hang on. Match case. Current floor equals generate floor. And then that gets set in. And so yeah, this gets generated including the boss, but then that goes, then we get the current floor there, which means the enemy spawned isn't being called. One thing I could do is just get rid of this. Right, have a node. Put it up about here. We'll call it enemy spawner, and that just handles enemy spawning without having to go in there. So on depth change, so this will be spawn monsters. So this whole thing would be out. Spawn monster will be moved into its own thing. But then wait, hang on. Private bool spawn boss monster. And then floor add enemy symbol from there, and then we're going to generate a base. Undelete the boss spawn data. Then okay, we'll do this here. Put this on here. Yeah, I think I do need a dedicated enemy spawner logic. This enemy simple seam path as well. cells equals current floor.get free cell. Oz is a dungeon floor cell. Oz dot value dot position location. No. Has edges, it has these, it does not have a position, which is kind of friggin' useless. Get reachable cells from, actually we'll do this here. gd.randi. Okay, we'll try this. Then in on spawn boss change, and then we need to get the dungeon features. Var features equals get floor features. No, this will be depth map dot get floor dimensions. No, get features current branch current depth. For each var boss in for each var feature in features dot floor objects. If feature is boss spawn data boss, then spawn boss monster boss. Found an error. Oh, of course. Policy equals with cells. Yeah, Randi percentage cells dot. Okay. Hey! Okay, why is there 10 of them? Okay, that's fine. I think I do need to rewrite the whole thing. Yeah, the whole enemies data again. Is this the same dungeon crawls as before with Roboco? No, it isn't. This is something that I've been working on since the start of the year. No, the Roboco, that's in the judging phase of the game jam now. It's been like that for the past week and change. Actually 2 weeks to be honest. You can play it on my page, red-ward-studio.itch.io. But yeah, this is something completely different. It stars Holostars Tempest crew. Yeah. Okay, so why are we initializing from? Oh, go away. Regards Holostar, is the winning sun in there? No, unfortunately, this is just Holostar's English Tempest, because I originally drew like the whole story, not storyboarding, the actual scenario and game design documents shortly after Vesper graduated. So it only has the 6 current members of Tempest in there. I think I might add Armis as like in a later well, not an expansion, but sort of post-game content. Because I've got the whole scenario written out. But it's also equally likely that I just chuck all this in the bin and just remake the whole game in Unity. Because Godot is really testing my patience right now. But anyways, maybe it has just the one of them. Enemy data is the base level, base depth. Yeah. Oh, here we go. Roll spawn quantity for level, and then yeah, getting this out. And of course, because the spawn quantity is not set, it goes to its default, which is 10. So that's why we're facing 10 bosses at once. Dungeon. Which means when these are spawned, we need to calculate the we need to calculate this. What the hell is this quantity set? That's not set. If I did this. If I hard coded the quantity to 1, does that change anything? See, I'm just working on spawning bosses at the moment, with very little success. Nope, still 10 of them. So I don't think quantity actually does anything, to be honest. Enemy count doesn't have any references. Oh, it does level some. Wait, yes it does. Level some minus. Oh, so that's actually why all the sprites were blue. Right. We need to then public int enemy level. Set public int enemy quantity set enemy level equals boss dot spawn enemy level enemy quantity equals table item dot roll. Sorry, enemy entity level equals table item dot get level for depth. Depth. Then when we spawn them, we need to get them from the enemy symbol as opposed to here. Have I nullable enabled? What do you mean, checking for this being null? If you mean having a null check for this, well, I actually want it to give me an error because this shouldn't be null. Other than that, I don't think I do. Wait, where the hell was I? It was here. Right, if I change this. Public void, add enemies, add an overload for this. Ideally, I want to get rid of these. Symbol dot enemy quantity. Symbol dot enemy data. Symbol dot enemy quantity. Status. Generate this method as an overload. Where am I? Add enemies. Oh, it's something you can activate since 20 days. It helps a lot to make explicit when something should be nullable, not a check that you initialize it. Oh, okay, yeah, I haven't really kept abreast of C# development since forever, so disabled. So yeah, if it's disabled by default, then I most likely have it disabled. It's explicit when something should be nullable. Gonna have to take out a lot of code here. Just make the change here so I can rip stuff out. Int level enemy. I don't know what past me was thinking when he wrote this. That's fine. Which means we can get rid of this. Which means we can get rid of this. And this. No, I will leave that. Oh, I know why this is in. Because it's for the battle scene tester. Shit, so I do have to have this really stupid overload in. Okay. With this, undo all the changes. And paste this new thing in here. Then this, because we've already calculated the. Have I tried Rider? There's a lot of shortcut reacted like that. I haven't, sorry. Not, I think, isn't that a paid app? I'm fairly sure there's a way to, there is a way to shortcut refactor in Visual Studio, but I just haven't been bothered to find it. So we can, plus I like to do it myself just to make sure that, you know, what I'm doing actually makes sense. So add enemy symbol on here, which means we give it that add enemy, so we can have it on down there. So that's only in battle scene 2, and then this is on here. Don't do that. This on here. That should be all, hopefully. I don't recall right, but yeah, VS is a few years on spare wheels. There's also some. Yeah, I miss Resharper. Back when I had a job, their version of Visual Studio had Resharper with it, and that was, whew, that was a godsend. I do have something called CodeMade, and okay, yeah, that's it. So we have the one boss now. It's level 15, like normal. And yeah, it's acting like an actual boss. Like it's taking a long while to kill. But yeah, this is like a starting party, so obviously it's going to one-shot, you know, the starting party. I think I might want to make it slightly weaker, if because it's supposed to be the first boss. Yeah, well, and also there's a bug where the enemies go away. The enemies don't go away when you flee the battle. Then when you go into back in, and then the enemies go back to full health, which I think I might leave as is. Okay, so that looks like it works, and I'm just too, what's the word, tired to actually check it properly. So yeah, now it's in a somewhat fixed state. Still needs a way to go, but whatever. But yeah, I think I'll probably leave it there because unfortunately I do have things to do Sunday morning. So I hope you have a wonderful rest of the day wherever you are in the world. I shall see you soon.